Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert checkbox inputs in the designer. Just like any other module, drag and drop a checkbox input from the left-hand menu to where you would like to place it. Once in place, we can click the module to change its configuration. When the module is selected, you will see dashed lines around it, and this will bring the contextual menu on the right. Here, we must first select the name range this input will be associated with from the named range selection option. This dropdown will give us the list of all available named ranges with the cell references in parentheses. Please note that checkbox inputs will only allow a Boolean range. Name is the text label that will be displayed next to the input. The system will automatically populate the named range into this field once you make that selection. We can simply change this by clicking and editing. We can choose from 5 available styles to customize this checkbox. Selecting from one of these types will color the box next to our input depending on our active style sheet. The placement of the checkbox within the container can be changed by selecting an option from the alignment dropdown. This input will be unchecked by default. If you'd like to change this behavior, you can enable the default value checkbox. The tooltip text will be displayed when you mouse over this input. This can be used to hint your end users as to what this input refers to. The friendly name tag can be used to print the input name. When Trigger Calculations option is enabled, this input will trigger calculations in the entire worksheet. You can leave this enabled in most cases. If you are using a rather complicated spreadsheet and have a lot of calculations, it might be a good idea to disable this option and add a Calculate button instead. This input can be disabled or made hidden by the value of a cell. To do this, we need to select By Value of from the Enabled or Visible menus, and then point it to a Boolean named range from our spreadsheet. If the cell output is true, this field will be enabled or visible. If it's false, then it will be disabled or hidden. Remember to press the Submit button to save your changes to this input.